Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with day number 2 of You Say It's Your Birthday. It's my birthday, too. We're spraying in the Misfetch Crafter. And then there's this little bag, and it says, little sticker, it says extra. But look at the little bag. I love the bag. Look, it says loads of love, and it's got a little truck. Isn't it cute? So let's check what's in the bag first, and then we'll get to the present. Let's see. Oh, we got little wood pieces that are carrots, rabbits, eggs, little chickadees. I'll show you. So we have a little rabbits, a little egg, little chicks, and carrots. Yep, they're thick. Oh, is that two together? Oh, I was like, they're thick. Oh, maybe it is thick. Nope, that's just one. So we got little wood pieces of Balm. Them are cool. Easter time's around the corner. Okay, let's see. Oh, I keep hitting the string. Okay. And we got, oh my god, flavored lip balm. It's a Pepsi bottle. It's lip balm, but it's a Pepsi bottle. I'll probably never leave the lip balm, but I don't think that's so cool. It's Pepsi bottle. I've never seen them. They're awesome. And we got, haha, hanging with my normies. Ha! This is funny. That's cool. Oh, we got 2 Pepsi bottles. I wonder if the lip balm. Okay, I'm gonna have to try this, guys. Hang on. Now I'm curious if it actually tastes like the lips to be Pepsi. Wait, how do I open this? Oh. It actually is flavored Pepsi. That's cool. That's so cute. Look at that tiny little Pepsi bottle. It even looks like it's full. Put that right there. I'm going to save this, put this in my Smash book. That is so cool. I don't like things on my lips. Yeah, it's a weird thing. I'll have to hide them because Riley Roo's going to want them. And we got... glasses. Guys, I'm always breaking my reading glasses. This is so funny. Oh my god. Glasses on to go. I'm going to leave these in my purse. I broke my glasses and me and Scott were shopping like a couple weeks ago and I couldn't see anything when I was shopping. That's funny, Sabrina. You got me. I will definitely put these in my purse. Yeah, I literally broke my glasses. And I didn't break them where I could at least wear half one of them, like maybe this part came off. No, I broke them smack down the middle. So I was doing my birthday shopping and I couldn't see. And I told Sabrina, I don't know what about you. Because I couldn't see. That's funny. Oh my god. And we got some rabbits. Little wood rabbits. Some are cool. And we got some carrots. And we got some chicks. And we got some Easter eggs. They're going to be fun to decorate. Glasses. That's funny. I'm going to put them in my purse, man. Oh my god. Too funny. And with that, I'm going to put the stuff temporarily glasses in my bag. Yeah. Scott's like, how'd you break your glasses? Well, I dropped them. I must when I drop, because I only have to read reading glasses So I dropped them when I was getting out of the truck, and it must have just landed where it split because I put them on and they came apart in my hands. And I told Serena, I don't know what I bought you. I couldn't see what I was buying. I was squinting. So here's day number 2 of that. The glasses, that's funny. Here's day number 2. It's a package that says happy birthday. It's washi tape's coming up. I did not pre-open this. It's just the way it's happening. Glasses. That's funny. Ooh, what do we got? Okay. What shall we do today? 60 creative crafting project for kids. See, I love books. This is cool. So she thought of a gift for me as well. Oh, look at it. I can make. Look at that little cute little journal. That's awesome. Oh, look at the little frames. Okay, what the hell? Oh, okay. Pressing, choose the flowers, press, and make a press board and press flowers. Oh, I get it. Oh, this is kind of cool. I could, wooden spoon dolls. Oh, I can see doing a lot of projects with myself, just with me and the grandkids. Oh, I did a paper mache stuff for the kids for their birthday parties. Awesome book, Sabrina. I love it. Thank you. Oh, it even got patterns in the back. Okay, let's see what the patterns are real quick. We have, and they probably coincide with something like the stocking. Here's the stocking. And here's some patterns, probably with clothes templates for, and it says pages 10, 11. So that's cool. That's awesome. That's an awesome book. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. This is day number 2. Funny day number 2. I can't find the glasses. That kills me. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Check out Sabrina's video and see what she got for me. Because guess what? I don't remember. I don't remember. I don't remember what I purchased. I kind of remember what I purchased, but I don't remember what order I numbered them. So watching Sabrina open her presents is a surprise to me too. And I'm like, oh, okay, that's what that day is. Because I just wrapped. I didn't do them in any particular order. I just wrapped them and numbered them. So I'd be like, oh yeah, okay. Oh, I remember buying it. So thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. And thank you, Sabrina. And I love the glass. I love everything but the glasses. Fun. That's funny. Bye, everybody.